Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Silicone Seed Trays is probably one of the most versatile and durable options for any gardener looking to start seeds indoors, offering a flexible yet sturdy solution that makes transplanting seedlings a breeze and ensures your delicate plants have the best possible start in life, minimizing root disturbance and maximizing germination success for a thriving garden. Number 5. Seed Starter Trays with Grow Light Kit. Our seed starter trays come equipped with 8 LED grow lights. They provide a full spectrum of light, mimicking natural sunlight to facilitate robust and healthy plant growth. You can customize lighting schedules with options for 4, 8, 12, and 18-hour cycles. The 5-level brightness control allows you to adjust light intensity to meet specific plant needs. This kit is designed with adjustable humidity vents and drainage holes. This allows you to regulate moisture levels and prevent waterlogging for an ideal growing environment. Crafted from high-quality PP material, our trays are sturdy and durable. They are designed to provide long-lasting support for your plants as they germinate and grow. With optimized lighting and environmental control, your plants will receive ideal conditions for accelerated and healthy growth. This leads to stronger and more vibrant seedlings. What we like? This option offers advanced features for optimal plant growth. With its full-spectrum LED grow lights and customizable timing and brightness settings, it ensures your plants get the perfect light. If you're looking for accelerated and healthy seedling development, especially for indoor setups where natural light is limited, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The trays are made of a flexible silicone material, making it easy to pop out the seedlings without damaging the roots. Each cell has a drainage hole at the bottom, which is crucial for preventing overwatering and root rot. The silicone is durable and can withstand repeated use, unlike flimsy plastic trays that crack easily. Number 4. Seed Starter Tray with Lift-Out Handles. Introducing our innovative Seed Starter Tray, designed for seamless transplanting. Its unique lift-out handles allow you to gently remove each seedling, minimizing root disturbance. With 9 removable cells, you can provide individualized care for each seedling. The handles can even double as plant labels, keeping your growing organized. Each cell is perfectly sized for starting small batches of vegetables, herbs, and flowers. This ensures optimal growth conditions for your young plants. Our bottom watering system promotes healthy root development. Simply add water to the tray, and the soil will absorb moisture from below, preventing overwatering. This tray is built to last, featuring a reusable modular design. It includes everything you need for successful indoor or outdoor seed starting and transplanting. What we like? This tray excels in making transplanting a breeze. The individual lift-out handles allow for easy removal of each seedling without disturbing the roots, which is crucial for delicate plants. If you prioritize hassle-free transplanting and want to minimize root shock, especially when moving seedlings to larger pots or your garden, this is the one for you. What people say. The trays are flexible and easy to pop out the seedlings. The individual cells are a good size for starting seeds, and they hold moisture well. The design allows for good drainage, preventing root rot. Number 3. 60-cell Seed Starter Tray Kit. Introducing our innovative Seed Starter Tray. Its flexible silicone bottoms make removing seedlings a breeze, protecting delicate roots. This upgraded seedling tray features a drain hole to prevent overwatering. This ensures your plants receive the right amount of moisture without root damage. Crafted from thickened plastic, these trays are built to last. They are sturdy enough for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. Achieve perfect growing conditions with adjustable humidity domes. Control the internal environment to suit each stage of your plant's growth. Managing your seeds has never been easier. These trays are convenient and suitable for starting a wide variety of plants indoors. What we like? This tray features an innovative design for effortless plant removal. The flexible silicone bottoms allow you to easily pop out seedlings, preventing damage to roots. If you dislike struggling to get seedlings out of traditional trays and want a quick, clean transplant every time, this is a fantastic option for you. What people say. The trays are sturdy and well-made, making them easy to handle without bending or breaking. The individual cells are deep enough to allow for good root development. The flexible silicone material makes it incredibly easy to pop out seedlings without damaging them. Number 2. Mr. Penn Seed Starter Trays. Introducing the Mr. Penn Seed Starter Trays, your simple solution for growing beautiful plants. This pack comes with 5 durable trays, perfect for any gardening enthusiast. Crafted from sturdy plastic, these trays are built to last. You can reuse them season after season, saving you money and reducing waste. Keep your soil, water, and fertilizer neatly contained. Their lightweight design makes them easy to manage and clean, ensuring a tidy gardening space. Ideal for germinating seeds, growing sprouts, microgreens, or any plant you desire. They are compatible with heat mats, humidity domes, and hydroponic systems. Whether you're potting plants, mixing soil, or starting seedlings, these trays are a fantastic addition to your gardening toolkit. Their one-piece design makes them incredibly user-friendly. What we like? This is a straightforward and robust option for general seed starting. Made from sturdy, durable plastic, these trays are built to last and can be reused multiple times, making them cost-effective and eco-friendly. If you need a reliable, no-fuss solution for germinating seeds, growing sprouts, or microgreens, and appreciate the ability to stack them for storage, this is a great choice. What people say. The trays are made of a flexible silicone material that makes it easy to pop out the seedlings. The individual cells are deep enough to allow for good root development. The trays are stackable, which saves space when not in use. Number 1. Seed Starter Tray 48 Cells. Introducing our innovative Seed Starter Tray, designed for easy and successful germination. Its unique features make planting a breeze. Crafted with flexible silicone, this tray allows for effortless seedling removal without disturbing delicate roots. It's built to last and can be used season after season. Our thoughtful design promotes optimal soil drainage and aeration, creating the perfect environment for seeds to sprout. Excess water is managed effectively, preventing spills. Made from BPA-free PP plastic and silicone, it's safe for growing your favorite fruits and vegetables. Simply clean and reuse, saving you time and money. This cost-effective kit includes everything you need: a 48-cell tray with a humidity dome, plant labels, and handy planting gadgets for all your gardening tasks. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or fruits, this kit is perfect for a wide variety of seeds. Start your garden with confidence. What we like? This tray offers a blend of convenience and plant health. Its flexible silicone bottom ensures easy seedling removal, preserving root integrity. Furthermore, being dishwasher safe and BPA-free makes it a hygienic and safe choice for a variety of plants. If you value ease of cleaning and a safe, reusable option for germinating many types of seeds, this is a highly practical selection. What people say. The trays are sturdy and hold their shape well when filled with soil. The individual cells are deep enough to allow for good root development. The flexible silicone makes it easy to pop out the seedlings without damaging them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.